To become a Class 4 coxswain, it takes a lot of hours, it takes a lot of experience, it takes a lot of time.
Tired. Brain is tired, my body's tired, just everything.
Some of the crews take up to 4 or 5 years to get that done. What we're asking of these guys now is to get it done within 3 weeks.
You have been in the water for as long as I did, with nothing to eat. You would be looking at it like this.
It's almost humanly impossible what we're asking them to do.
It hurts to live this way. I don't mind the pain. I don't mind the pain.
So yeah, still alive.
45% dry.
Oh, I'm excited and anxious at the same time.
You can never train in that. You know, a lot of things can go wrong.
No one gets left behind. You're a team.
Learn to be comfortable, being uncomfortable. Okay, I'm sweating already, it's just part of it. It's hard.
Today we're here on that Class 4 development course. It's the first day of that course. We've gotten all the candidates together. They've been brought from all over the country. We've got them together for the first day and we're going to really start the training in earnest.
I'm really nervous. I just want to get over the nerves and then we will take it from there. But otherwise, I'm hoping to become a very good coxswain and be able to serve my community as best as I can.
It's a very difficult course, the amount of content that we're doing in the short little time. So today we just want to get the introduction of closed loop communication, getting used to launching and getting used to recovering safely.
I am super nervous, working with people I've never been working before. That really worries me, but it's good to be nervous.
This is very ambitious. Normally a person would spend 6 months getting their crew qualification and then probably another year at least to sort of get enough hours and the experience and the task sign off to get their Class 4 qualification. We want to try squeeze that period into a 2-week period and make them Class 4 coxswains at the end of the process.
Me getting this qualification will mean in the area of my community there will be an additional coxswain who can participate in such operations.
It's quite tough, but it is a beautiful day, so I'm having lots of fun. I think it gets tougher from here on out.
It's an experiment, this course. We're actually not entirely sure it is going to work, but we're going to give it our best shot to give them as much skill, exposure, practical experience to pass an independent assessment at the end of this.
It's a difficult course, but I know whatever can happen here, I'm in good hands with Surf Rescue, so I'm not worried.
Yes, this was tough. It really shows on your fitness. I'm going to go to sleep early to prepare for tomorrow.
It was awesome. I can't wait for what the next few weeks await.
What's coming is Ayres, Strandfontein, Kleinmond, Wilderness. That's the build-up.
We will have lasted weeks in upside down vessels.
So a Class 4 coxswain is a person who leads a rescue crew using the small vessels of our organisation. So the ticket that is behind it is a 1 nautical mile ticket, up and down the coast 15 nautical miles from their launch site. It requires a very, very high level of surf proficiency. It requires coordination of a very tight crew on the vessel, and obviously the skill set to be able to conduct searches and rescues and operate that vessel safely in very rocky, very challenging, very austere conditions.
Becoming a coxswain, it's almost an evolution in your own life. It develops you to become a different type of leader within your crew, within your community, within the family, because it instills certain values in you as a person.
This course, this is a dream. Now, my dream's coming true.
The surf here is big. When it's on, it's big.
Saving lives in South African waters has always been a young dream, and now I'm here.
Get up in the morning, quick pot to eat, straight into training.
Yo, tired.
We want to train as much as possible because when we're not there, we need to know that they can handle themselves.
Be prepared what's coming at the point.
As a coxswain going forward, if you get an opportunity to learn something new, go for it. Because that little thing that you're going to learn is probably going to end up saving your life on it.
We got to launch in different conditions, experience different surf. Sometimes we were terrified.
Yes, you're going to get tired, you're going to be cold, it's going to be tough, it's going to get hard, but you've just got to show up.
That's a sort of an accretion zone where the sandbank pushes sand onto the beach.
It starts like waves, surf work, swimming, but then you sit down. Then the theory part comes when you're really tired.
The whole purpose of everything we do is so that we can be better rescuers.
I would say the theory is more important than the practical. Anyone can ride a boat, but the theory aspect is what makes the difference.
The smaller the space, so less energy.
To promote somebody to coxswain carries a lot of responsibility. To give somebody a license to go out there with the vessel into any kind of weather, take other crew with them, with everybody's lives, the boat, all of that in their hands, we have to ensure that they meet a standard.
This training, it completely changed, my life. I'm on another level.
I want the coordinates in all three formats.
All three formats. So the first stage was just getting everyone to get as much information and experience from different coxswains and different people from different stations as possible. We've given the theory heavy classes.
Double check that one over there.
Now we're putting it together in terms of them taking what they've learned from everybody and turning it into their own understanding. Not just getting ready for assessment, but getting ready for how they're going to implement this into the stations where they're going to.
Going great. We've got to the stage where we step back and let the guys respond as they've been trained.
I'm ready to go.
You're not going to be able to see the outsiders coming through the bay at the back.
Practical, I think we've been grilled properly on it, so the confidence is there.
At the beginning of the course, they were having quite a lot of fear, but over the time, you have seen them getting that confidence.
Saturday's assessment. I'm confident I am. The guys from base keep on saying, you got this, you got this. So I have to tell myself, I've got this.
Very, very excited. I hope I'm going to make it, but I'm a little bit nervous. But the guys are trying to push me to be at the same page.
We need to start deep-kitting, get the boats out, get them sorted out, tie everything down, get ready to Balega. Because it's 5.5 to 6 hours to Mdumbi.
Mdumbi.
Yeah, I'd say.
All mobiles, the crew that are not driving, please get some rest, because when we get to Mdumbi, we're going to have dinner, and after dinner, we're going to start with the theory exam. So get some rest. Over.
I've been missing home, not lie. Mdumbi.
Good to be back.
Doing our theory exam and then nav exam. So the nerves is on, but yeah, they're already heroes in my eyes. Yeah.
Tired. Yeah, there's my cup of coffee here.
Where's the tap around you?
We are quite excited to be launching for the last day. I think we are ready to show them what we've learned over these last 2 weeks.
The booties are wet. Soaking wet. I was crying when I was putting them on today.
So today is the first day at Mdumbi. It's a bit of an orientation to the launch site to get the guys on the water for their practical assessment.
Today is looking like it's going to be a good day.
All of these things, we've done it again and again. When you must take charge, take charge. Let's be awake. I want to see some teeth and I want to see some urgency. Okay? Let's go and do this.
Graeme Harding, who's going to be doing the assessment, he's very much about safe operations. He's very much about understanding that they're going to be on their own and that they have to have a culture of safety and operational aspect.
Unfortunately, it's a line in the sand that cannot be, oh, you're just underneath it, so we're going to let it go, because there's lives at stake here.
You have been training for this day and you know your work, you know your confidence, but it's still a little bit stressful.
It was very difficult. Also, at some point, it went way more than expectation.
1-1, please go and check out the surfers, over. Mawa, you can relax, they got him.
Here we've got that spirit that if somebody is in trouble, you don't think about yourself, you think about that person there.
First rescue done by Mdumbi, over.
Did that seriously just happen?
Yeah.
Guys, thank you very much for a wonderful time together over the last 2 weeks. We told you to dig deep, and I think you guys dug deep. You stuck with it. Long story short, I'm just immensely proud of each and every single one of you and what you've achieved and your growth over the last 2 weeks.
It was not easy, but we've managed to try and to do it. Now, I have that confidence that I can go and save lives.
When you jumped to the side. At one point, I was like, why did I even sign up for this? I mean, it's been tough, but each day made us stronger.
I wasn't expecting what I've seen. I didn't think that the guys and girls would be at the standard that they are.
I'm feeling that I've upgraded. I mean, now I'm going to be an asset to the station.
Regardless of what outcome was for assessments, I think you guys have got such a base to build on. Their win is our win. All of them will go back to their respective stations and share all that knowledge.
My confidence was like this, and now we are on another level. And now coming back home at Mdumbi, that is what I'm going to give to my trainees.
This organization is what it's all about, giving people chances and then changing their lives.
What is the first thing you're going to do when you get back home?
I'm going to sleep.
Gaat slapen.
Get my kids together. Let's go somewhere, chill.
Straight to my family, greet them, hug them, and go to my bed.